Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm taking you to Yuan Fong 2 Kopitiam in Bandar, Mahkota, Cheras. I was told that this Kopitiam, right, serve exclusively food from Ipoh because the founders are apparently they are from Ipoh themselves. So I was told to try their curry mee, nasi lemak, and also their dessert, especially the red bean soup. Okay, so let's go. So this is Yuan Fong Kopitiam, Yuan Fong 2. Actually, this is a second branch lah. I found this from the Elmo Lee YouTube channel. You can actually see his video. I'll leave the link in the description down below. So let's go. This coffee shop quite big. It's an outdoor sitting and here also. Let's go in. Wow, got 3 places. Oh, there's a nice mural there behind. Okay. The snacks here, sake ma, post stuff a lot. Really cool. Oh, okay, this is a rare one. The Hainanese bread used to make their toast. Oh, a lot of stuff here for sale. Oh, I think that's Kajang coffee if I'm not mistaken. They use Kajang white coffee here. Now those are the bread they use for the toast. Look at the size of this menu, man. Wow, so thick. I stole that for my friend. The curry noodle is good, and also their pork nasi lemak. This noodle corner. Saw a review by Mr. Elmo Lee. He told me that this place, in his review he got said this place actually the taste quite resemble Ipoh because the founders are from Ipoh, and my friend also recommended this curry pork nasi lemak. Wow, it's really expensive. If you come here, this one is to me is must have lah. With the white coffee. This is a rarity. Red beans dessert. The traditional desserts. I'm not talking about the normal modern desserts. Coffee fellas like me must have. When you come here, you must have white coffee. Okay, today I'll just get a nasi lemak. Wow, nanti ni nasi lemak. They even have this kind of BBQ rice. Wow. I think this is very unique. Nasi lemak, I need to couple it with steamed bread and toast bread. This one sure must have. Since I'm here, I just order. Okay, this is what I got for lunch. The first one is the nasi lemak with the pork curry. Second is the toast bread. This I saw the thumbs up, so this is their signature. And white coffee ice. This one, if you go Ipoh, you must have. And also the traditional red bean. Despite how it looks like, a lot of places cannot find a good red bean soup. So let's taste one by one. Looks good. So far, I like the pork nasi lemak here. So let's start with my favorite, the coffee. It's not too sweet. You can actually taste the coffee. Because sometimes when you get white coffees like this, it's too sweet. This is just nice with the ice. So life is short, right? You know what they say, life is short, so eat the dessert first. Good. Also not too sweet. Most of the places I eat, right, I don't know how much sugar they put, but this is good. This is just nice. Looks great. So the kaya, the butter you can see. The bread is thin only, not really the thick one. I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, this bread is their own custom one. The size or thickness of the bread. Kaya and butter. So it's perfect balance. The curry is quite thin, huh? You can see it slowly falls off the thing, right? Very viscous. It's very nice. Thick, not sweet, and you can really taste the curry here. So it's really good curry. Now I'm trying the sambal. So nasi lemak is not complete without sambal, right? So sambal with some nasi lemak. Beside here, there's only sambal and the nasi. The curry I put minimum. Sambal sweet. If you like sweet sambal, it's okay. I personally would prefer a more spicy sambal. Whenever you go to Chinese doing nasi lemak, I notice the sambal is usually a bit too sweet. But it's individual preference. I prefer my sambal a bit more spicy. The curry is a bit more spicy than this sambal actually. But overall, I can see why this dish is recommended by my friend. It's really a good dish. I like the pork curry. I like actually everything. Everything here just now I like. Just the sambal only. Maybe it doesn't suit my taste, it's a bit sweet. Alright. However, the curry, the viscosity is nice. The taste is there. The the red bean is not too sweet. Even the coffee also, I was surprised. I expect it to be too sweet for my taste. And the bread, you can see there's a very nice balance between the butter and the kaya. Very thin the bread. I like this. For dinner, I got the curry noodles instead of the chicken. They're out of chicken just now, so they suggested I try the pork. And this is how the curry is packed. It's separate from the curry noodles. I thought I would just show you this before I start mixing it down. And one more is one of my friends suggested to me. This is the crispy fried chicken. There's two on the menu. So this is the one that I think the one further behind S10 I think. It's very crispy. So my friend suggested this. If you find that it's a bit too cold, you can actually reheat both before starting to have your dinner. Alright, so let's try. Of course, no meal is completed without the coffee lah, their signature coffee. This is white coffee, hot, large size. Just now I had the cold one, so now this is hot. I think I know which coffee they're using. From the packaging, it does look like Kajang, but it might be a special blend of Kajang for them. So as usual, I'll start with my favorite first. Creamy and really got taste. I don't think it's too sweet lah. I think when I was drinking the ice one this morning, right, the ice was put nearly nice ratio. But this white coffee, right, being white coffee, you expect it to be sweet lah. Of course. Me, this is okay. Then my friend highly recommended this fried chicken here. I'm just gonna take it without the sauce, because that's how you can actually taste the real taste, right? Good. Not too dry. You can still taste the juiciness of the flesh. Better than the famous one you all know. Now, the curry mee. Of course, when you taste curry mee, you have to taste the curry first, right? That is the whole key of the dish. Okay, it is lighter than the pork curry, but it doesn't mean that the flavor is not there. It's nice. I don't think it was sweet. It is sweet. Okay, and this is the pork char siu. And let me go and get some of the noodles on it. Wait, who eat curry with this kind of spoon? Let me go and change my spoon so that I can put some curry inside. Alright. I'm back. Yeah, this is the spoon that you want, because you want the curry inside together, not the other one. And you usually eat with chopstick, but well, I'm at home anyway. So who cares? I eat what I'm comfortable, and so should you. Alright? I take it with a fork and with the spoon. You scoop the curry, you put in some noodles and some of the dishes inside, alright, like the long beans, the beancurd, pucuk, and here's the meatball. Just gulp it down. Perfection. Tell you, this one, you enjoy it when it's hot and just serve in the restaurant or after you reheat, right? Delicious. I definitely will pay them a visit again if I'm around the area. Actually, Bandar Mahkota Cheras also got quite a lot of places. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, y'all can check out Elmo Lee's video. I'll leave it on in the comments. He actually went to many places in Bandar Mahkota Cheras. So I found this place also on his recommendation, and his video is in Cantonese, but he has English subtitle. So go check it out. Alright, I'll leave the video in the comment down below, the link to the video. So if you are around the corner in Bandar Mahkota Cheras, I'm at Yuan Fong 2 Kopitiam. So you can come here. They are open from 7 AM to 5 PM daily. Alright? This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.